another low-tech, simple service video. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Honda Fit. This video is relevant for third generation Fits, model years 2014 to 2020, however will likely be similar for earlier models as well. This service requires no tools, takes roughly 2 minutes, and is billed at $65 at a dealership. The part, as you can imagine, is significantly less than that, and the time and effort it takes is so simple that you should definitely do this yourself. While there are cheaper options available, we prefer to use premium parts whenever possible, especially on cheaper items like this. So specifically, we're using the Bosch P3939WS. We'll include a link to that product in the description so you can buy it direct from Amazon and know you're getting exactly the right one for your car. If you have an earlier Honda Fit, look up the part number that's relevant for your vehicle, as it may be different. Enter the passenger side of the vehicle and open the glove box. I suggest making sure the glove box is empty, as we will be removing it. Squeeze the sides of the glove box and you'll release the upper tabs and allow it to come down further. Now simply lift the glove box off of the 2 hooks that you see here and it will come all the way off. Next, release the cabin air filter cover by squeezing the 2 tabs you see here and pulling out. It's always smart to note the direction of flow before removing the filter. In this case, you can see the arrow pointing down, so we know that the air flows from top to bottom. Now, remove the filter. And it definitely looks like that needed changed. Remove your new filter from any plastic packaging, being careful not to squeeze or squash this. They are relatively delicate and you don't want to bend in one of your sides, as that could allow for a path of airflow past the filter, and that's not what you want. I always recommend comparing your new part and your old part side by side before installation. That way you can make sure to insert it in the correct orientation. We've made sure our airflow arrow is pointing the correct direction, but the printing is actually on the different side for this unit. So we're going to rotate it to make sure that the leading edge is similar to how the original Honda one came out. Now we insert the filter. And it slides in as easy as that. Reinstall the cover, being sure to pay attention to the orientation indicator on the front to make sure it is the correct way up. Now reattach your glove box by simply putting the hooks over the pegs like they were before and pressing down. It will clip into place. You can simply lift the glove box and the tabs will re-engage automatically. And that's it, we're done with the cabin air filter installation. Now that Bosch filter costs less than $10, including free shipping from Amazon. We've included a link in the description below so you can buy exactly the right one, and as you saw, the service took less than 2 minutes. So you can definitely do this yourself and save yourself a lot of money. So that's the end of this simple service video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. We do have more Honda Fit service videos coming along, and on top of that, we got some pretty cool cars you can check out as well. It's very quick to click that subscribe button and check out our content, and you can always unsubscribe later if you decide you don't like it. It really helps us grow, and we greatly appreciate it. But for now, we'll catch you on the next one.